truly great poet has the ability to touch people's heart and capture universal emotions. He transcends language, class, gender, and time barriers. Pablo Neruda's verses encourages many people to find poetry in their own life. He is one of the most widely translated poets of all time, one of the greatest and most influential poets of the 20th century.
And now you're mine.
And now you're mine. Rest with your dream in my dream. Love and pain and work should all sleep now. The night turns on its invisible wheels, and you are pure beside me as a sleeping amber.
No one else, love, will sleep in my dreams. You will go, we will go together over the waters of time. No one else will travel through the shadows with me. Only you, evergreen, ever sun, ever moon.
Your hands have already opened their delicate fists, and let their soft trickling sighs drop away. Your eyes closed like two grey wings, and I move.
After, following the folding water you carry, that carries me away, the night, the world, the wind spin out their destiny. Without you, I am your dream, only that, and there is all. Neruda presents woman and nature as two aspects of the same reality, and uses nature imagery to describe women.
Naked.
Naked, you are simple as one of your hands, smooth, earthy, small, transparent, round. You have moonlines, apple pathways. Naked, you are slender as a naked grain of wheat. Naked, you are blue as the night in Cuba. You have vines and the stars in your hair. Naked, you are spacious and yellow as a summer in a golden church.
Naked, you're tiny as one of your nails, curved, subtle, rosy, till the day is born, and you withdraw to the underground world, as if down a long tunnel of clothing and of chores. Your clear light dims, gets dressed, drops its sleeves, and becomes a naked hand again.
The poems in Elemental Odes, published in 1954, take as their subjects everyday, familiar objects and raise them to a point of dignity and grace.
At the time of their publication, these earthy, realistic poems came under critical fire for being too simple, but they are now considered among Neruda's most significant works, full of surreal images of nature.
Ode to Tomatoes. The street filled with tomatoes. Midday, summer. Light is solved like a tomato. Its joyous runs through the streets. In December, unabated, the tomato invades the kitchen. It enters at lunchtime, takes its ease on countertops, among glasses, butter dishes, blue salt cellars. It sheds its own light, benign majesty.
Unfortunately, we must murder it. The knife sinks into living flesh, red viscera, a cool sun, profound, inexhaustible, populates the salads of Chile. Happily, it is wed to clear onion, and to celebrate the union, we pour oil, essential child of the olive, onto its halved hemispheres. Pepper adds its fragrance, salt its magnetism. It is the wedding of the day. Parsley hoists its flag. Potatoes bubble vigorously. The aroma of the roast knocks at the door. It's time, come on.
And on the table, at the midpoint of summer, the tomato, star of the earth, recurrent and fertile star, displays its convolutions, its canals, its remarkable amplitude and abundance. No pit, no husk, no leaves or thorns. The tomato offers its gift of a fiery color and a cool completeness.